The science of a prayer. If I go on a daily basis with my daily blah, 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 I want something important, blah, 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 how subconscious knows that what has been said to be important or not. And there is another thing that is going on, is that subconscious does not take care of the negation. What I mean by that is, if I say I don't want to be scared of the snakes, if you are in the dream state, you will get the snakes. So you quickly understand that subconscious doesn't care about don't or not. So you must be positive in what you are asking. And again, if your message is encapsulated into another blah 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 before that and after that, it's not easy for the subconscious to know what you want exactly. So what I do is I sit down, I start to stare at something, and I blank out in my head, and then I say what I want, and I blank out again. Like this, I have silence before I say something, then I voice out inside me. I don't talk with my lips, it's inside my head. So I have I stop my internal dialogue for a small period of time. I voice out what I want to do, and I continue with another silence. So the message is encapsulated in silence. You see what I mean?